Hello students, today we are starting exercise 1b. Question number 1 is answer the following questions. In which order should the four different digits be arranged to obtain the largest four-digit number? They said four different digits. Suppose we have four different digits 7, 8, 6 and 9. These are four different digits and they are asking that in which order we need to put these digits to make the four-digit largest number. Okay, to make the largest number, firstly we will put the largest digit, then smaller than this one, then smaller than this one, then the smallest out of these four. This. So which order is this? This is descending order. So we need to put in descending order. Next, what is the number of three-digit number that can be formed using the digit 0, 1, 5 without repeating the digit in any order? They have given three digits 0, 1 and 5 and they are asking that which three-digit number can be formed using these digits. Three digits number banane hain. Okay, so first you can make 0, 1, 5. No, why? Because this number, if starting with 0, this becomes two-digit number. So this can't be the three-digit number. Okay, so 0 cannot be in starting. So this can be 1, 0, 5 or this can be 1, 5, 0. We can make these numbers now using these three different digits, or we can make 5, 1, 0, 510, or we can make 501. Okay, we cannot put 0 in the starting because it will become two-digit number if we will put 0 in the starting. Okay, it will be 15. So three-digit numbers formed using digits 0, 1 and 5 are 105, 150, 150, 510 and 501. So four numbers are there now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four numbers can be formed using digits 0, 1 and 5. This is your answer. Next, write the smallest three-digit number using the digits 2, 3 and 5. You want to form the smallest three-digit number na? So firstly you will put the smallest digit. Smallest three-digit number which is formed using these three different digits is, firstly put the smallest digit, then this, then this. So smallest number formed using these three different digits is 235. Next, write the smallest four-digit number using the digits 1, 0 and 4. They have given three digits here. Only three digits given है 1, 0 and 4 and they are asking to form four-digit number. So what will you do? You will repeat one digit. Okay, you can repeat any one of the digit twice. You want to form the smallest number na? So you will repeat the smallest digit. To form the greatest number, you will repeat greatest number. So here To form the smallest number, you will repeat the smallest digit. And which is the smallest digit? 0. So you will repeat 0. Okay? You will repeat 0. And to form smallest number, what will you do? You will firstly write the smallest digit, but you cannot put 0 in the starting. आप 0 को starting में नहीं लिख सकते हैं. Why? Because if you will put zeros in the starting, it will become 2-digit number. Okay, it will become 14. 14 is a 2-digit number. So we will put 1 in the starting. So smallest four-digit number formed using 104. Okay, you cannot put zeros in the starting, so we are putting that after 1. Okay. Next, what is the greatest 5-digit number with 2 at 1's place and 3 at 10's place? 5-digit number they are asking. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5-digit number we want to form. They said 2 at 1's place. So firstly put 2 at 1's place and 3 at 10's place. 3 at 10's place. This is the 1's 10's now. So we have put 2 at 1's place, 3 at 10's place, and they are asking for the largest 5-digit number. To make the largest 5-digit number, you will take the larger digits. Larger digits क्या हैं? 9, 8, 7. Okay, these are the larger digits. But in the question they did not say to use the different digits. Okay, so to form the largest number, we will use the largest digit and we will repeat it. This is the largest number of 5 digits in which 2 is at 1's place and 3 is at 10's place. Okay, so what is your answer? Your answer is 99,932. This is your answer. Next, question number 2. Write all possible 3-digit numbers without repeating the digits. All possible 3-digit numbers बनाने हैं without repeating the digits by using the digits. They have given the digits. These are 3 digits and they asked to form all the possible numbers of 3 digits which are formed using these digits. Okay, so first number can be 902, second number can be 920, then third number can be 209, fourth number can be 290. Okay, fifth number can't be this. Why? Because this is 29. 0 is in the starting now. So this is 29 and 29 is a 2-digit number. So we cannot use it, and we also cannot use 092 because this is also 2-digit number. We cannot put 0 in the starting. So we have these 4 numbers which are formed using these 3 different digits. So 3-digit numbers formed by using the digits 902 are, what are the numbers? 902, 920, 209, 290. Okay. Next question is question number 3. Use the given digits without repetition and make the smallest and the greatest 4-digit numbers. They have given 4 digits and they are asking to form smallest and the greatest 4-digit number. No need to repeat any digit because 4 digit they have already given and they said without repetition. Okay, so to form the smallest number, We will firstly write the smallest digit and we will put the digits in ascending order. Okay, smaller to greater. To form the greatest number, we will put the digits in descending order. That means greater to smaller. So to form smallest number, smaller to greater. So smallest is 1, then 2, then 5, then 6. Greatest 6, 5, 2, 1. Decreasing order. Okay. So this is the smallest number and this is the greatest number. Similarly here, smallest number, firstly we will put the smallest digit. That means we will put the digits from the smaller to the greater. Okay. But we cannot put 0 in the starting, as I told you in the previous questions. Okay. So check the second smallest digit. Second smallest digit is 7. Then put 0 at the second place. Then 8. Then 9. To form the greatest number, put the greatest digit first, 9. Then 8. Then 7. Then 0. This is the greatest number. Next question number 4. Make the greatest and the smallest 4-digit number by using any one digit twice. Now they are asking to repeat any digit. And you need to write greatest and the smallest 4-digit number. Now to form the greatest 4-digit number, you will repeat the greatest digit, that means 6. To form the smallest 4-digit number, you will repeat the smallest digit. Okay. And one more thing, to form greatest number, you write the digits in descending order, and to form smallest number, you write the digit in ascending order. Okay. So to form greatest number, we will repeat the digit 6. So now the digits will be 6, 3, 2. They already have given, and we will repeat 6 because we are forming greatest 4-digit number. Now put them in descending order. That means greatest to the smallest. Greatest number is 6. Again 6. Then 3. Then 2. To form the smallest number, which digit you will repeat? You will repeat these digits they have given, 6, 3, 2, and you will repeat the smallest digit, which is 2. Now put them in ascending order. Smallest number you want to form now. So you will start writing the digit from the smallest to the greatest. Smallest digit is 2, again 2, then 3, then 6. So this is the smallest 4-digit number formed using these 3 different digits. Next, second part. To form the greatest 4-digit number, you will repeat the greatest digit, that means 6. 1, 0, 6. These digits were given and you will repeat 6. So now to form the greatest number, you will write the digits in descending order, that means greatest to the smallest. So greatest digit is 6, then 6, then 1, then 0. Greatest to the smallest. Now to form the smallest 4-digit number, you will repeat the smallest digit. They have given these 3 different digits. Which is the smallest one? This is the smallest one. So you will repeat this digit. Okay. Now arrange them in ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to the greatest. But the smallest is 0, which you cannot put in the starting. अब starting में put नहीं कर सकते. So you will put 1 in the starting, then 0, and then 6. They said 4-digit number. So suppose this is a 4-digit number. Okay. And asking to form a greatest and the smallest number. Suppose this is greatest and this is smallest number. By using one digit twice. किसी भी एक digit को twice use करना है. Okay. Digit 6 is always in thousands place. They said 6 हमेशा कहाँ होगा? Thousands place पर होगा. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So 6 will be at this place. Ones, tens, hundred, thousands. 6 will be at this place. Now to form the greatest number, you will use the greater digits. Okay, आप greater digits use करेंगे. Students, there are 4 different digits. Using 4 different digits. Okay. They have already mentioned 4 different digits, so we cannot take 9 to form the greatest number. We will use different digits. So what we will use here? 9, 8, 7. This is greatest number, so we will put the digits from greater to the smaller. Now to form the smallest number, we can use the smallest digits or the smaller digits like 1, 0, 2. These are the smaller digits now. So this you will arrange in the order, that means ascending order, like smallest to the greatest. 0, 1, 2. So this is the greatest number and this is the smallest number. So greatest number is 6987 and the smallest number is 6012. Students, I have left some parts. These parts you will practice yourself. Now next question, question number 6. How many numbers in all do we have with 4 digits? Students, 4 digit numbers की अगर बात करें, so from which number 4 digit numbers start? Smallest 4 digit number is this 1, 2, 3, 4. And from this number, all the numbers till the greatest 4 digit number will be the 4 digit numbers. इन दोनों numbers के mid में जितने भी numbers होंगे, they all will be 4 digit numbers. Okay. So smallest 4 digit number is 1000. Greatest 4 digit number is 9999. Okay. To find the count of 4 digit numbers, we will subtract them. We will find this difference. 9999 minus 1000 and then plus 1. Okay, so this is 8999. Firstly you will subtract them. When you will subtract 9999 minus 1, you will get 8999 plus 1 is equals to, when you will add them, you will get 9000. This is your answer. Okay, so simply what will you do? Firstly check for which they were asking. Here they were asking for 4 digit numbers. So firstly find the smallest 4 digit number, greatest 4 digit number, find their difference, that means subtract them and add 1. These are the total count of the 4 digit numbers. Next question number 7. Write the greatest and the smallest 5 digit number using all the following digits. We need to form greatest and the smallest number using these digits, and they also said that we can repeat any one digit. Okay, we can use any one digit twice. So here to form the greatest number, we will repeat the greatest digit, that means 8. So we have digits now 6, 3, 8, 2, and we have repeated this 8. To form the smallest number, we will repeat the smallest digit. They have given 6, 3, 8, 2, and we will repeat smallest digit, which is 2. Now we will form number using these digits. To form greatest number, we will arrange them greatest to the smallest. Greatest is 8, then again 8, then 6, 3, 2. To form smallest number, we will arrange them from smallest to the greatest. That means smallest is 2, 2, 3, 6, 8. Okay, so this is the greatest number and this is the smallest number. In the next part, again to form the greatest number, we will repeat the greatest digit, which is the greatest digit 7. So we will repeat the 7. To form smallest number, we will repeat the smallest digit, which is the smallest digit 0. So we will repeat the 0. Now form the greatest number using these digits. Okay, to form greatest number, arrange them in descending order, greatest to the smallest. Greatest is 7, again 7, then 5, then 1, then 0. 0 is the smallest. Now to form the smallest number, arrange them in ascending order, smallest to the greatest, but we cannot put 0 in the starting. So firstly we will put 1, then smallest is 0, 0, then 5, then 7. So this is your answer. Students, question number 8, 9 and 10 are multiple choice questions. These questions you will practice yourself and also do the remaining parts of the previous questions which I have explained today. If you face any difficulty in any question, then you can ask me personally. Thank you. Have a good day.